I'm Sandy with Implementation Specialists, and today I'm going to show you our 1095 import tool. Companies that need to generate 1095s for non-employees, spouses, or dependents, but did not track their information in HR throughout the year, can use the 1095 import tool to add or change their information and bring it into GP's 1095 tables to create and print the forms. You can use your provider's file, make the changes in Excel, and upload into GP using the 1095 importer to streamline this process for all your 1095 needs. So let's look in GP. If you do need to import records for any non-employee, that should be done first. A template is included with the install for entering records for non-employees who need to be included in the 1095 reporting. You just add your records to the template, save it as a tab delimited text file, and then go here to import non-employees. And then after that we move on to importing doing the 1095 import. For this, your healthcare provider may provide a 1095 import spreadsheet, or you can create your own, or again, we've included a template with the install. And so once you've added your records there and made any changes and saved it as a text delimited file, you come in here to import 1095, path to that file, click process, and then once it completes, should be done. So we had one bad record, but then we get this message saying that they've been imported. And then after that is done, we can just come in here to edit W2s, to print W2s, select 1095C, print those, and that is it. So that's all there is to using our 1095 import tool. If you'd like to get in touch with us to learn more about the 1095 import tool, here's how to do that. Also feel free to reach out if you'd like to see what other great tools we have available. And thank you so much